Good morning, children. How are you all? Now we are in which lesson? We are in reflection of light. So already we discussed about the periscope, how to make the periscope, construction of the periscope and its uses. How to keep the mirrors. We need two mirrors, agarbatti box, isn't it? Glue. These are the things, materials required for making periscope. Why to keep the mirrors parallel in the periscope? In the periscope, we are keeping the mirrors parallel. This is the window from which the light reflection takes place. Isn't it? So here, see this in the periscope. The mirrors, why the mirrors are kept in parallel? The mirrors are in parallel position. What is the, in the periscope, the incident ray for the second mirror, incident ray from the second mirror, incident ray from the second mirror, what happens here is the reflection of the first mirror, is the reflection of the first mirror, is the reflection of the first mirror. Incident ray from the second mirror is the reflection of the first mirror. Isn't it? When these two mirrors are parallel to each other, then only the rays lies in the same plane. Then only the rays lies in the same plane. And what happens due to this? The ray passes through the window and reaches to your eye, and then you are able to see the object, image of the object. Then only you can see the image of the object. If these mirrors angles are disturbed, not keeping correctly, then what happens at that time? The incident ray will not fall correctly and the reflection also not takes correctly, and what happens? You cannot see the object properly. You cannot see the image of the object properly. So here, this is the reason we can. So in this cases, what happens? We can't see the object in the mirror. Object in the mirror. So now next coming to how do we get an image in a mirror? How do we get an image in a mirror? Suppose, now do you know how it is formed? Image is formed in the mirror. During daytime the light falls. During the daytime the light falls on us. Isn't it? And gets reflected. Number of times it gets reflected. Number of times it gets reflected. And finally what happens? It reaches to your eyes. Then you can see your image in the mirror. Then you can see the image in the mirror. Isn't it? Formation of image in the mirror is, the formation of image in the mirror is due to reflection of light only. Due to reflection of light from the mirror only. So the formation of your image in the mirror is due to reflection of light from the mirror only. Now here, you will see here, this is a candle which you are keeping here. You are keeping the candle here. You want to see this image of the candle in the mirror. In the mirror. So these are the incident ray. Falls on the mirror. It falls on the mirror. This is the incident rays which falls on the mirror and it reflected back. Here you are seeing. Reflected back. And you are seeing the same image here also. You are seeing the same image here also. You are seeing the same image due to reflection of light. Here you are seeing the same image of the candle in the mirror. You are seeing the same image in the candle. Now here, is there any difference between you and your image? Yes, when you stand in front of the image, when you stand in front of the mirror, raise your right hand. It looks left hand. Right hand, left hand, suppose lift left hand, it looks right hand. In the same way, if you draw this, write down the alphabets. Write the alphabets on the piece of paper. Write alphabets in the piece of paper. D-A-N. Dan. Keep the mirror in the middle. Keep the mirror. What you will see? A, D. Reverse. You will see the reverse images. You will see the reverse image. Isn't it? You can do this activity. You can write even other names also. You can write and you can see the images, reverse images you will see. These are called, what do you call it? Lateral inversions. Lateral inversions. These are called lateral inversion. Ambulance. Have you seen the ambulance? How it looks, the ambulance? Have you seen ambulance also? How it is? How it is? Write down the ambulance. Ambulance. Keep the mirror and observe it. How it looks? Ambulance. How it looks? E. M will be same only. Then B. You also will be same only. L like this. L. A also same. Right? N like this. And C of C inverse, reverse, C right. E also reverse. A. L N C E. Ambulance. See how it will looks. Reverse. So you can practice this and you can see in the mirror also. You can see in the mirror also. You can find this. Now stand in front of the mirror. Stand in front of the mirror. Keep few steps in front of the mirror and keep again you go back with the same speed. Same steps you go back. Again you come with the same steps in front of the mirror and you go back. What you will observe here, compare the size of the object. Compare the size of your body and your object and the image formed in the mirror. It will be same only. It is a plain mirror. The mirror which we use for dressing at home is a plain mirror. The size of the object and the size of the image will be equal, will be same only. Now, object is one and images are more. Object is one, images are more. Multiple images you will see. Where you will see multiple images? Many images. Object. When you go to barber shop, you are one only, but your images will be more you will see in the barber shop. If you go to mirror shop also, you are one only, but you will see many images in mirrors. Shopping malls, isn't it? Mirror shops, shopping malls, ice cream parlor. You see the images, your object is one only, but you will see many images in the mirrors. How it is possible? How it is possible? Because of the arrangement of the angles of the mirrors. Multiple images you will see. Now here we will see how the images are formed. What is the total sum of the angle, circumference, that is 360 degrees. Take two mirrors, 360 degrees. The angle of some images is, keep the mirrors in such a way that it should be in the 90-degree angle. Take two, we need two mirrors. We need two mirrors. One mirror, this one, and another mirror you take this. This, another mirror. Two mirrors you need. So, these are the two mirrors you are taking, and here you are keeping the candle in the middle of these two mirrors. You are keeping, this angle is 90-degree angle. You are taking a 90 degrees angle. What is the sum of angles of total circumference? Is 360 degrees. Isn't it? So, always what happens when you keep the candle or any object, it coincides with the object. The one image always will be coincide with the object. One image is always coincide with the object. That is minus 1. Minus 1. Now here, you are taking, now you are keeping with the 90-degree angle these two mirrors. Observe how many images are formed with one object only in the mirror. Now here, see, calculate 360 degrees by 90 because one image is always coincide, isn't it? You are seeing the images. So now here, three images you are seeing. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. How many images you are seeing? 3 images you are seeing in the mirror. In the same way, you change the angle. Reduce the angle. Reduce the angle. Reduce the angle means 360 degrees by reducing 60-degree angle you take. Minus 1. Why? Because in all the cases, one image will be coincide with the object. Isn't it? Now you calculate how many images are formed. Is equal to 5 images are formed with 60-degree angle. In the same way, still reduce the image. 360 degrees by how much you will take here? 30 degrees. Minus 1. 11 images you will see here. 11 images are formed. In the same way, 360 degrees. Still reduce the angle of these mirrors. Reduce the angles to 20 degrees. Minus 1. Number of images are more. Reducing the angle, you are getting more number of images. Images will be increased. Number of images will be more. On reducing the angle, number of images will be increases. Okay, children? Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, children. So, how the multiple images are formed with the arrangement of the mirrors only. Multiple images are formed.